Ceiling fan steps for the instructions on WikiHow. WikiHow to do it. And this is on how by yourself when you're an adult. Don't just show real quick. Here are the steps on the ceiling fan instructions. Install a ceiling fan. First step, turn the electricity off. Second, remove or old fixture or fan. Third, confirm the ceiling box is cold or replace it. Fourth, attach the ceiling bracket. Number 5, assembling the fan. First. 6, hang the fan on the ceiling bracket or hugger fan and press the wire of the fan until step 8, group a fan with the green copper wire. Step 9, secure and tuck the wires in the ceiling. 10, finish installing the fans. And install the canopy fan blades in 10 times. Testing the loosen the fan. 11, install any light bulbs or glass fixtures of types. Leave any Lego or glass components out last. The bubbles will use to be very simple to wire up or secure in place. Check your manufacturer's guide for instructions on the specific guides. Test the lights and turn the power on. Make sure turn the light, test the wall, test the fan, and make sure that everything is working. These are all the steps for the ceiling fan instructions. Bye.